Hello everyone. Welcome to third week of Road to Web 3. Road to Web 3 is a Alchemy University course that we are covering. We have covered week 1 and week 2 courses in previous sessions. If you didn't check it out, you can go to my channel and check out the playlist of week 1 and week 2. In this series, we are going to cover the week 3, which is make NFTs with on-chain metadata. Let's see what we have to develop in week 3. How to make NFTs with on-chain metadata, hard hat, and JavaScript. When creating NFTs, it's a good practice to store the metadata on centralized object storage or decentralized solution like IPFS to avoid humongous gas fees derived from storing big amount of data such as image and JSON objects directly on chain. There's an issue with this though. Not storing your metadata on the blockchain will make interacting with from your smart contract impossible as the blockchain can't communicate with the external world. If you want to update our metadata directly from our smart contract, we'll need to store it on chain. But what about gas fees? Luckily, L2 chain such as Polygon are here to help, drastically reducing gas costs and introducing a number of advantages that allow developers to expand the functionalities of their application. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create basic of blockchain game, develop a fully dynamic NFT with on-chain metadata that changes based on your interaction with it, and deploy it on Polygon Mumbai to lower gas fees. More precisely, what we are going to learn in this third week of Road to Web 3 is how to store NFTs metadata on chain, what is Polygon, and why it's important to lower gas fees, how to deploy on Polygon Mumbai, how to process and store on-chain SVG images and JSON objects, how to modify your metadata based on your interactions with the NFTs. So a lot of topics will be covered in this third week. So let's get started.